In this video, I'll show you how to build a funnel quiz using the RevenueHunt app. What is a funnel quiz? A funnel quiz is a type of quiz that recommends products based on upvotes. Each answer in the quiz can upvote, or exclude, specific products or collections, and at the end, the quiz recommends the most voted products to the customer. Step 1. Create or open your quiz. Let's get started. Open the RevenueHunt app, click Create New Quiz, and for this example, I'll choose the basic skincare quiz template. I'll pick a default color scheme and open the quiz in the builder. This quiz already includes a few useful questions, such as name, age, skin type, skin concerns, and allergies. In our case, the age group, skin type, and allergies questions will determine which products get recommended. Step 2. Link questions to product collections. Let's begin with the age group question. Click to expand a choice, for example, teens and 20s, and then click Upvote Collection. This will load all of your Shopify collections. Here, I'll select the collection containing products meant for teenagers. Repeat this process for the remaining age options. Next, open the skin type question. For each skin type, dry, normal, combination, oily, upvote the corresponding collection of products. It's best to create dedicated Shopify collections for each skin type or customer segment. This ensures your quiz always recommends the right products. You can also upvote individual products instead of collections, but we've found that using curated collections keeps things much easier to manage. Finally, go to the allergies question. Here, you can use exclusions. For example, if a customer selects that they are allergic to aloe vera, you can exclude all products containing aloe from being shown on the results page. Step 3. Configure your results page. Now that product upvotes are in place, go to the results page section. The default skincare template already includes a few product blocks. You can either use those or create your own. For this example, let's add a new product block to show the most voted products overall. Click Add Block, Products, and drag it where you'd like it to appear. Then, in the block settings you can set the number of products to show. For example, 3 products. Choose Recommendation System. Here you should pick based on customer responses. Set a minimum number of votes, for instance 2, so that only products with at least 2 upvotes, for example, 1 from the age group and 1 from the skin type, will appear. Click Save to save changes. Step 4. Test your funnel quiz. Now click Preview and take the quiz yourself. Fill in your name, select an age group, a skin type, and an allergy, if applicable. At the end, you'll see the recommended products, sorted by the number of votes they received. If you ever wonder why a particular product appeared, you can go to Responses, Analysis, where you'll see exactly which choices upvoted that product. A great tool for troubleshooting and fine-tuning your recommendations. And that's it. That's how you can create a funnel quiz in the RevenueHunt app. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.